We are Abhi and Yvanka. In June 2021, we spent 2 weeks on the Greek island of Crete, snorkeling, hiking, trying amazing food and much more, and we'll be showing you all of that in this travel series. Here is a glimpse. Back at the airport after a very long time. Surreal.
Never bothered about what could be coming. Every day we danced and life was smiling. We were young and drunk in love. A few years later I have started thinking, if it's just love in every glass I'm drinking, we're like one and without you I'm sinking. I'm always shining next to you. There's no reason to chasing pavement on my own, 'cause you're here to stay every night and day. I'm glad 'cause I got you.
I have always been afraid of changes, but you show me life is full of faces. Sometimes clouds go in our favorite places, but we were young and unaware.
Oh, I got you, there's no reason to chasing pavement on my own, 'cause you're here to stay every night and day. I'm delighted 'cause I got you. La 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 la. Kept us bothering. Every day we dance and life's been smiling. We're not young, still drunk in love.
So we are here at Seitan Limania beach, and it has been a very crazy ride. Look at this.
Walk me in the morning sun, tell me I'm a lucky one. I'm riding on the wave of a notion that I could be brave. Is there anything good on the radio? Turn it up loud and let me know how it used to be before anyone heard of you and me. I'm feeling good, I'm feeling great. Running out of town just to celebrate. The fortune's here to stay. A one-way ticket to a better day. A rocking chair and a glass of wine. In the shade of a tree and I'm feeling fine. There's not a lot to
Elafonisi beach. And it's just a paradise. I've never seen such visibility in the water. And look outside.